Hi, my name is Zachary Angela, and I wanted to go over sort of how to deploy uh, like your application or your website to DigitalOcean. Why DigitalOcean? Um, it sort of limits you up to about $5 a month, and a lot of times you can spend less than that. And so if you use like Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, you really got to be careful in what you're doing and how much you're spending and everything. Whereas DigitalOcean, the droplet, the $5 one, you know, it gets overwhelmed, it just shuts down. It's not really a big deal. Plus, they give you $200 credit, which they all kind of give you a credit thing, but I think that's only for like a month or two or something like that. But it's nice because then you could get like a month for free to try it out, and if you don't like it, then you just delete it. This is kind of how it looks like when you create a droplet. It shows you when you log in and stuff. See estimated cost. I've had it I think a month or so, and 57 cents is what it cost me. So that's not bad. Then it's just a go by. So there isn't a whole lot of space or whatever that's going on. So anyways, you create a droplet, you choose your region, your data center or whatever it is, and then your operating system, I guess. Well, it's really just a container, which is okay, whatever. It is what it is. I do the basic plan because it's the cheapest, regular, and then see if you go back, they have it for $4 a month, which is pretty nice. And that's basically what I use. It's easy. Anyways, I do, well, it just depends. You could add your password or whatever, one droplet, and create it with your project, do the host name. I do was it cheap name or name cheap or whatever. They give you directions how to set up in DigitalOcean right on their website. So it's pretty easy. I think it's name cheap hosting DigitalOcean. They literally give you like the instructions. Some of it is changed a little bit. You may have to kind of dig a little bit further, but I mean they generally show you exactly what to do. There's also a bunch of videos on it. Anyways, when you got the name, you got your droplet created, you then can see, I don't know if I screwed this up already. You then have access to your file space, I guess you could say, your container. And it basically just looks like this. And how I sort of do it is I'll make this repo public for a little bit, and all I do is upload the binary. And so when I'm in here, I'll do git clone, I pull it down. Well, I'll actually do -remove. Well, actually the first thing I do, let me scratch that a little bit, is in order to find your running program, if you already had it running, let's say, you do pgrep-a. Let me pull this over here. So pgrep -a, and then whatever it is that you're running, and there's your process ID right here, and then you would just do kill and then the number, whatever it is, and then in order to run it, in order for it to keep running, I should say, if it's just generally running, it doesn't keep it on. The second you close out this window, it'll shut down. You actually run this program or this command, and that keeps it going. It also puts the logs into the output file, which is nice. So if your website goes down, you can kind of see the logs of what had happened. So it doesn't spit them out here. So that, I mean, that's basically how I created this site, which is pretty fast. I think it has pretty okay light speed or lighthouse scores and everything, which I didn't even try to optimize, which is nice. So yeah, that would be how you would run it and how you would stop it, and how to move your binary up into here. You could always do the SSH into it and everything, but I just feel like sometimes I'm on different computers and I don't really want to deal with that, so I do this, which is easy. Yeah, and that's how I create the droplet and do my thing on it. There's a few extra like command things, I guess, if you wanted, but that's generally how you host it. And so if you're in there and you do go build, it should spit out the binary, which is this, and then you would use whatever GitHub thing you got going on, or all you have to do then is push up the binary, and at least with the website thing that I built, it's just one file you're pushing up, and then make this public. It is private right now, but you would make it public and then pull it down into your little terminal thing here that DigitalOcean provides you, and then yeah, just run it. That's it. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, thank you.